Hey guys, we miss you all. We'll hopefully be back together soon. Today we're going to be going over Luke 11, 1 through 45, about Jesus bringing Lazarus back to life. Jesus had many friends. His disciples were his friends. Mary and Martha were his friends too. And a man named Lazarus was also his friend. Lazarus was Mary and Martha's brother. One day, Jesus got a message that his friend Lazarus was sick. That day, Jesus was very sad. His disciples thought he would go see his friend, but Jesus didn't. They were all surprised. Jesus told them that God would make something wonderful happen. He told his disciples, "If you believe in me, then you will see God do something great through me." 2 days later, Jesus told his disciples some very sad news. Lazarus had died. Jesus finally decided to go to town where Lazarus lived. That really surprised them. But they remembered that Jesus said, "If you believe me, then you will see God do something great through me." So the disciples went with Jesus. They went to the town where Mary and Martha were and came to meet him. They were very happy to see Jesus, but they didn't know why he took so long to come. Jesus told them that to put their hope in him. Remember the verse, "If you believe me, then you will see God do something great through me." When Jesus saw how sad his friends were, Jesus became sad too. Kind of like when you see your friends sad, it kind of makes you a little sad. That's what Jesus was feeling. He was very sad that Lazarus had died and that Martha and Mary were so sad. And when the people nearby saw Jesus cry, they knew how much he loved Lazarus. Jesus and others went to the place where Lazarus was buried. The cave had a large stone in front of it. Jesus told them to move the stone. They were all surprised because by now the dead body of Lazarus would not smell too good. But Jesus told one of them, "If you believe, then you will see God do something great through me." So here's a picture of them moving the stone. You see that? It's a very large stone. It's huge. We couldn't move that by ourselves. But Jesus gave them the instruction to move the stone. Then Jesus prayed to God. He called Lazarus to come forth. Even though Lazarus was dead, all of a sudden a body wrapped in a white cloth came out of the cave. The people were very, very surprised. Lazarus was alive again. The people were happy and Lazarus was back with them. They unwrapped him and praised the Lord. And Jesus was happy because many people saw Lazarus come out of the grave that very day. They put their faith in him. They discovered, just as Jesus said, "If you believe, then you will see God do something great through me." See, the thing is, just like how we're sad that we are not able to see our people from our church or our friends or our family members even. Like my parents live all the way in Georgia, and I'm very sad that I can't see them right now. But you know what? Our hope is in the Lord, and we know that God is in control of everything, right? So just like the verse said, if you believe me, or if you believe, then you will see me, you see God do great through me. Just remember that, guys. And we can't wait to see you guys again soon. Hopefully it'll be sooner than later. But just remember that verse. If you believe me, then you will see God do something great through me. Bye.